Sawadee I'm JP Mestanza. Today is Wednesday, December 29th. Welcome to Phuket Extra, brought to you by pvcphuket.com. Government officials will work from home after the new year, while online classes might be brought back as part of efforts to contain the current outbreak of the Omicron coronavirus variant, according to the Public Health Ministry. The private sector is also being encouraged to follow suit by encouraging staff to work from home. Speaking before a cabinet meeting on Tuesday, the Deputy Public Health Minister said the Public Health Ministry submitted scenarios on the Omicron outbreak to the cabinet. Even though patients infected with the new strain have no severe symptoms, officials say that efforts must be made to contain the spread of Omicron and keep new cases to a minimum to avoid impacts on the country's reopening. The Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration, the CCSA, in Bangkok, they're expected to come up with details after an assessment of the Omicron situation on January 4th. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. Health officials here on the island are identifying 74 arrivals to the island who are suspected of being infected with the Omicron variant of COVID-19. The announcement only came via a notice issued by the Phuket Provincial Health Office, which broke down how the island has had arrivals test positive every day since December 15th until December 24th. The notice did not go beyond last Friday, and it's unclear if there are more suspected cases since then. Of note, the notice maintained that all 74 cases are suspected, and that confirmation can only be given when test results return from the Department of Medical Sciences in Bangkok, which they say takes about 7 days for results to be known. In addition, Phuket officials have also been silent on whether any local transmission of Omicron has been found on the island. For more, visit thephuket.news.com.
Quality guaranteed since 2012. Call M Painting today.
A program has been launched for officers in Provincial Police Region 8, which covers 7 southern provinces here in Thailand, to obtain a Bachelor of Law degree in a partnership with Phuket Rajabat University. The ultimate goal of the new program is to raise levels of legal education among police officers in Provincial Police 8, which covers the provinces of Phuket, Krabi, Phang Nga, Chumpon, Ranong, Suratani, and Nakhon Si Thammarat. A memorandum of understanding was signed yesterday between the president of PRU and the chief of Provincial Police Region 8. The program, which will last 2 years and 8 months, aims to provide international standard educational support to police personnel and is open to both non-commissioned and commissioned police officers with bachelor's degrees in diverse professions who work in Police Region 8, and are particularly relevant for officers who graduate with bachelor's but not in the area of law. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. The Israeli tourist who fled a Bangkok hotel prior to receiving his positive test result from Omicron COVID-19 variant and ended up all the way in Koh Samui in the south, he's now being fined 2,000 baht over the manhunt and will be deported. 29-year-old Ohad Baruch landed in Thailand on December 17 through the Test and Go scheme and was supposed to quarantine overnight at a hotel in Bangkok's Sukhumvit area, pending result of his RT-PCR test. But that same night, officials say he fled, visited Pattaya, he couldn't book a hotel there, and then headed down to Koh Samui. A manhunt for the tourist began after his results showed he tested positive for Omicron variant of COVID-19. On December 22nd, Baruch surrendered to police at a beachside restaurant on Koh Samui and was taken back to Bangkok. Donglo police charged him with violating the emergency decree, which carried a 2-year prison sentence and or a fine of up to 40,000 baht. This week, he pled guilty in court, and because he confessed, he was fined 2,000 baht. Immigration police have taken him into custody for deportation. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. Thanks for joining us on this Wednesday edition of Phuket Extra, brought to you by pvcphuket.com. Just a few more days until the new year. We'll see you tomorrow. Until then, stay classy, Phuket.
Phuket's rapid modernization has made it one of the world's premier holiday destinations. Investors can still buy quality condominiums for as low as $75,000 and luxury properties can go all the way up to 20 million. Condominiums in Phuket are a safe, secure bricks and mortar investment offering foreigners freehold ownership. Call or email Thai Residential, Phuket's #1 trusted real estate advisor, to find your perfect Phuket property.